Alright, what we're going to do today is we are going to make a cootie catcher. I see a lot of my students making these in the classroom anyway, so I thought why not make this into a fine reviewing tool. This is what the final product is going to look like. So today, to make one, you're going to need a sheet of paper that's a square sheet of paper and a pen. Alright, so my first step is to fold my piece of paper in half, hamburger style. It's really important to crease our edges. Then I'm going to fold my piece of paper in half again. Next, I'm going to open this up. You can see my folding lines. I like to draw an X in the middle because I'm going to be folding all of these four corners into this X. Alright, next what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over. I'm going to draw another X and we're just going to repeat those steps on this side. Okay, now I'm going to flip my piece of paper over. I have four boxes or four squares right here, and then I'm going to fold this in half. Right? I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to put my thumb and my pointer finger on both hands in these four pockets that we've made. I'm going to fold inward, and there you have it. There's our cootie catcher. What I've done is, and the kids could do, or the students could do as well, is I have used this for math and for vocabulary practice. I've written different shapes on the outside corners and questions on the inside corners, like how many vertices do the shapes have and how many sides do shapes have. I'm in a 5th grade classroom, so this aligns to TEAC 5.5. After students have made these, I would have them review before maybe test day, and they can go up to a partner and they say, okay, I want hexagon. So I would spell it out, H-E-X-A-G-O-N. And then they would pick what question they want to answer. So I'm going to pick how many sides does a hexagon have. And before you answer, your partner would say, okay, 5. And then I would fold this up, and I see, oh no, the hexagon has 6, so I wouldn't get any points for that. So it can be a point-based game, or you could use it for vocabulary. I've written a couple of vocabulary words for my 5th grade classroom: harbor, rebel, dictator, dedicate and dictator. And on the inside I've written, okay, I want you to define the word, I want you to write a synonym, an antonym, or use it in a sentence. And you can repeat those steps on these 4 as well. And then after they answer, they give an example. You can open it up and say, okay, you got plus 3 points, plus 2 points, and for each partner, it could be, you could be in charge of your own points. If you needed to differentiate, or you had some kids that were having trouble folding, there's a lot of pieces of paper on the internet that you can print out that have already got all the lines and all the folding lines on them. That's just a simple way to differentiate, or if anybody's having any trouble. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you use this in your classroom, because I know I will.